Dow Jones stayed bearish last week, and precisely from my levels at 32,600, it has seen a good bounce back. In the last week's update, we had seen that if it stays below 33,000 levels, we may see a good fall, and then 32,800, 32,600 are going to be the support levels. Until then, do not consider this as bearish. It can bounce back. Precisely that has happened. Achieving 32,600, we have seen a sharper recovery. It has come close to 33,200 before closing the week at 33,100 level. So now what to expect next week? Is this the reversal indication and US30 is going to stay bullish from here, or we can again expect it to just remain in this bearish channel and remain bearish for the complete week? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Dow Jones next week, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably. Do watch till the end, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis which I share for Dow Jones. Do also, you can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start here. First, let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, yes, it is still trading in the bearish channel here. Where are the highs for this channel? 33, 400, 500. Now, any point of time when you see US30 trading above 33, 600, 33, 800 zone, consider that it is going to break past 35,000 levels this time. Remember this fact. Now, why I am saying so? You can see consolidation here. You can see the pole here. You can see the flag here. Any breakout outside this flag should be a bullish indication. We had seen this, that it is trading in this channel. It has achieved the bottom. Now it may try to break past the highs of this channel, which is at almost 33,500, 600. Any move above 33,800 should be taken up very seriously, where it may try to break the highs above 34,000 levels and march till towards 35,000 levels. Very much possible. But right now, if you look at it, is trading in this bearish channel. Now we will come back to the daily charts later. First, let's have a look at the weekly chart. Now on the weekly chart, see the bottom here, the rise here, the V-shaped recovery, higher highs have been seen, and since then it is trading in this bearish channel. First of all, this is a flag, the pole and flag formation. The bottom of this flag is very far below at 31,000. One should not forget this fact. The bottom of this channel is well below at 31,000 levels. Right now it is also looking downwards, but this now coming to the near term bottom here. See, this is the twin bottom here. Since then the rise, this is also a flag here, slightly skewed on the downside, but yes, and hence any breakout here at this zone 33,500, 600 should be taken up seriously, and that should be the rise for US30, where I will be looking forward to 35,000 levels in the coming sessions. Now what could potentially happen here is, see, this is the channel it would like to create. It has achieved the bottom. Now from here a rise cannot be denied, and see, US30 is the one which is still lagging, and it can try to catch up very fast. Nasdaq 100 is already break out. It is already marching upwards. It is already looking upwards. UK Europe indices is also trying to look upwards. Asia is already bullish, and hence Dow Jones is the one which is lagging, and it may try to catch up very fast. Since last few weeks we have been talking about this, that US30 might look upwards, and I'm still going to remain bullish. It has achieved the bottom here and potentially looking forward to rise. Now look at the last three candles. Lower highs, lower lows. See, there are a couple of channels in play. It is closed above both the channels. Now just look at it this way. See the previous candle, very long tail, very small body here, but this is giving lower highs, which also opens up the place that it, if it opens below next week and then continues its journey on the down. Now I must highlight every concern to you. See, because Nasdaq 100 has gone overbought, while US30 is still indicating slight bearishness, till 33,500 levels we have to be watchful and cautious. First thing is, it can open flat, goes down, staying below 33,000 levels. Again, there could be a little pull on the downside. Be cautious of that, be watchful of that. At the same time, staying flat, looking upwards, breaking past this zone. Now see these, what are the levels here? You can see this 33,350 levels. Once it stays above 33,350 and then 33,500, this is the zone I will look forward to. If US30 trades above 33,500, potentially we are looking forward to a reversal from here, and then we can expect it to rise. Hence be watchful. However, remember, one point of caution, as Tech 100 has gone overbought, it can try to show you pull down, and but remember, US30 is showing a pull down. Tech 100 has seen a very good rise. It can happen the other way around where Tech 100 may see a pull down while US30 may see a rise. So be careful there. Yes, it can still continue to reverse. Now coming back to the daily charts. On the daily charts also, now see the pattern there is very important. See, four red candles reversal, four red candles reversal. This is how it is traded. And what has happened here is, see, the previous highs were not breached. Here the previous highs from the candle are breached. At the same time opened flat and then stayed on the downside. Hence this could also happen here where it can open flat and stay on the downside. So be careful there till 33,350 first and 33,500 next. Only reversal confirmation, only rise confirmation is if you see US30 staying beyond 33,350 and 500 levels. Now this is very clear. Next week, even if it stays above 33,200, you can buy. Expect 33,350, 400 and then 500 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. It is breaching the levels on the upside. Else what has happened here, it can replicate again. So just let's observe more. Now look at the monthly charts. Now on the monthly charts too, see the pole there, see the flag there. Now see the flag has a far away bottom at 31,000 levels. Remember this fact. Now at the same time, look at the behavior there, the rise, the drop, the little reversal, then the drop, then a retracement, lower highs are consistently formed and then a drop. Now if you connect this here, this time it has given you higher lows, lower highs. And for the month of June, we should look forward to, see, it can open flat here. It can close the month at around these levels. It may try to close the month at around 33,350, 33,500 levels. And potentially it's opening the next candle above 33,500. We can expect it to break past 34,100 levels, beyond which it should be considered for a reversal till 35,000 levels. This is what we can look at the next week, next month also. Now let's have a look with the help of indicator. See, firstly on the monthly charts, indicators 20, 50, 100 period moving average are still trading parallel and it is still in a bullish zone, perfectly getting the support from the 20 months average. It is trying to stay bullish. But on the downside, the ground is still open and a breakout on the upside will bring the reversal. Let's see which direction it goes in the next month. Stochastic, which was running overbought, has dropped a bit. The MACD, on the other hand, we had seen this in our previous few analysis. See, the crossover here, the crossover here, the bottom here. And if you look at the US30's previous history, you can find this is almost the bottom thrice or four times. It has seen this bottom and reversed. And that is what again is happening here. This is an expanding triangle. Crossover here will bring more bulls. RSI looking down, trying to trade bearish. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, 20, 50, 100 weeks average, almost the price is, you can say, is struggling to break past this zone. There is definitely a very good support you can see there from the 100 weeks average and the 50 weeks simple moving average, and the price is very much contained within this, and hence it has to break out above this zone in order to consider for a reversal. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trying to cross over for a sell and it is indicating bearishness there. Be watchful, but this crossover is happening at a bottom here, and hence it can again, and the divergence is very minimal, and hence it can reverse again. RSI has dropped also. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily chart, the moving averages have converged here, the 20 and 50 period crossover, the 50 and 100 period crossover. However, this is very much stagnant here at 33,400, 33,300 levels. So this zone becomes very critical. Staying above this zone at 33,500, 600, you can say US30 has reversed, else it may continue to trade below this. Also, if you look at the divergence of price from the 20 period moving average, and now it is willing to convergence, 33,400, 500 levels are appears to be achievable in next 2 to 3 sessions, that is towards the end of this month. Stochastic also has seen overbought levels with the last rise. Definitely it would have come out. MACD has seen a strong bearish streak. Now it is trying to converge. Potentially when the next week starts, this candle must have converged and we might look forward to a crossover on the upside and it can continue with its upward journey. Now if you look at, see the wave here on US30, first wave. Now it is looking forward to second wave and this can be very strong. RSI has hit a bottom and it is trying to recover, and hence more bullishness can be seen. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you so that you can trade profitably. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Equip yourself with the right tools, techniques and strategies so that you can trade profitably and independently. Join my mentorship batch, definitely you will cherish the learning there. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our signals channel where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details on same. Now, first let's have a look at the levels to buy and levels to watch out for. I will recommend you to buy here at 33 130 levels. Expect 33 180, 33 210. Now till here, this is a very nearby levels. Possibly you are going to get a good resistance till here. It can potentially reverse from here. If it stays above 33 200, we can see 33 350 levels on the upside. This is the first resistance level, 33 350, 33 400, and then 33 500. These are the three levels one should be watching out for. This is going to remain a very good resistance zone. Remember this fact. This is going to be very good resistance zone. It may try to close the month at around 33 400 levels. Now beyond 33 500, what you can expect? You can expect that if it stays above 33 500, we can see US30 potentially hitting again till towards 33 800 and 34,000 levels, breaking past which the direct destination for next month is going to be 35,000 levels. Mark my words, this is going to happen if it stays above 34,000 levels. Certainly 35,000 and plus levels where US30 might try to catch up the global indices and try to achieve the highs at 36 37,000 is possible. On the downside, where to sell? Now immediately if it drops below 33,050, you can sell. Expect 33,000, very good support, and 32,920 the next support. If it stays below this zone, see 32,920 very good support. Below this you can expect 32,800, my favorite, and then below this you can expect it to show you another round of good drop, but this time we can see 100 points up, 32,700, 32,600, and then 32,500 levels. Till here, do not consider Nasdaq 100 or US30 as bearish. Only and only if it drops below 32,500, we can see a potential very good fall in cooking and making there for US30, where you can expect 32,000 and in fact 31,000 levels in next few weeks or so. I do expect a bounce back. I do expect a recovery. I will be bullish for US30. Potentially from here, it may try to go fly on the upside. Wait for it to break past 33, 500, 600 first, then 34,000 next. Staying above which, sky is the limit. We are going to look at 35,000 levels. Since last multiple weeks, I have been targeting those levels. Still, it is getting shy of it. Potentially this time, it may try to achieve that levels. Take your trades accordingly. Have a profitable week ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.